My body tells me what it needs. 702. I honor the wisdom of my body. 712. I trust my body to heal. 721. I love my body. 730. My body heals itself easily. 739. My body heals itself naturally. 749. My body is an intelligent energy system. 802. My body is a health-making machine. 813. My body is in harmony with itself. 823. My body is fueled by infinite intelligence. 835. My body is powered by infinite wisdom. 847. My body knows how to support itself. 857. My body knows how to sustain itself. 908. My body is attuned to the wisdom of the universe. 921. My body is in sync with
一
nature.
次又一次。第四个字，
931.
1、2、3的1
My
啊，
body is in harmony.
一次又一次，不是一次。
942.
第二声一，
I am perfect, whole, and complete. 955. Great job. Again, listen. Every day for 21 days in a row to get the most out of this recording. 10:05. I wish you abundant, vibrant health. 10:10. You deserve it. Thanks for listening. This is Bob Baker. Have an awesome day. 10:19. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, you may also like my new book, 1025. The Power of Affirmations and Positive Self-Talk. 1030. Available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and most online booksellers. Flow Serve